Explore the biography of the famous person in minutes. Lionel Messi. Early life and challenges. Lionel Messi is one of the most famous football players in the world. He was born in Rosario, Argentina, into a family that loved sports. From a young age, Messi showed a strong passion for football, often playing with his two older brothers. By the age of 8, he joined the youth team of Newell's Old Boys, a local club. Messi faced challenges early in life. He was diagnosed with a growth hormone deficiency, which made it hard for him to grow. His family struggled to pay for the expensive treatment he needed. When Messi was 13, FC Barcelona offered him a chance to join their youth academy, La Masia, and agreed to pay for his medical expenses. This important decision led his family to move to Spain, where Messi would start his journey to becoming a star. Rise at FC Barcelona. Messi made his debut for Barcelona's first team at just 16 years old, quickly becoming the youngest player to score for the club. Over his 17 seasons at Barcelona, he helped the team win more than 30 trophies, including 10 La Liga titles and 4 UEFA Champions League titles. He won the Ballon d'Or, an award for the best player in the world, 8 times. In 2012, he set a record by scoring 91 goals in a single calendar year. Known for his incredible dribbling, vision, and ability to score, Messi is often compared to the legendary Diego Maradona. Despite some injuries, he consistently showed a remarkable talent for getting past defenders and creating chances to score. Move to Paris Saint-Germain. In August 2021, Messi's long career with Barcelona came to an unexpected end. Due to the club's financial issues, they could not renew his contract. Soon after, Messi signed a 2-year deal with Paris Saint-Germain, PSG, where he reunited with former teammates Neymar and Kylian Mbappé. While at PSG, Messi helped the team win 2 Ligue 1 titles, but they struggled in the Champions League. Joining Inter Miami CF. In June 2023, Messi announced he would join Inter Miami CF in Major League Soccer, MLS. His contract, worth around $150 million, marked a new chapter in his career. Upon joining, Messi quickly made an impact, leading the team to a 12-match winning streak and capturing the league's cup. He was named the club's MVP for 2023, showing his influence both on and off the field. International success with Argentina. Messi's international career with the Argentina national team has also been notable. He debuted in 2005 and faced criticism for not winning major titles early on. However, he led Argentina to victory in the 2021 Copa America, which was the country's first major title in 28 years. His biggest success came in 2022 when he captained Argentina to win the FIFA World Cup. In a thrilling final against France, Messi scored twice and helped secure the win in a penalty shootout, cementing his place as one of the greatest players in football history. Personal life and philanthropy. Off the field, Messi keeps a private life. He married his childhood friend, Antonella Rocuzzo, in a grand ceremony in 2017, and they have 3 children. Messi is also dedicated to helping others. He founded the Leo Messi Foundation in 2007 to support disadvantaged youth. In addition, he serves as a UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador, working for children's rights around the world. Despite his success, Messi faced challenges, including a tax fraud case in 2016. A Spanish court found him and his father guilty of tax evasion, resulting in a fine but no prison time. Messi has received many awards, including the FIFA World Player Trophy 5 times and the European Golden Shoe 6 times. In 2023, Time magazine named him Athlete of the Year, highlighting his impact on football, especially in the growing popularity of the sport in the United States. Messi's journey from a young boy in Rosario to a global football icon shows his incredible talent, hard work, and determination. His legacy inspires countless fans and aspiring players around the world.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.